Hey guys, Rinku here and welcome to a new episode of the GKS Scholarship Frequently Asked Question. In last episode, I talked about the necessary documents that you need for the application of the GKS Scholarship, and today I am going to talk about the application procedure itself. So how can you apply to the GKS Scholarship? Well, in two ways you can apply to the scholarship. However, it is really unfortunate that the both ways are offline, meaning that you cannot submit in online, or there is no online portal available for GK scholarship application. So you need to prepare your hard copy, the documents I mentioned in last video. If you haven't watched it yet, please check it out and prepare those documents, because for the applications you must need them. So in the first procedure of the application for the embassy track, after you finish preparing the documents, then you have to make 3 additional copies of each document. Having a set of 4 documents, then you need to put them in a separate envelope and finally put it into one envelope and then submit it into the Korean embassy office in your country. In the case of Bangladesh, you will have to go to the Baridhara, where is the embassy is located, and in this case you have to submit your application in the main gate to the guard's office. So if you are not allowed inside, don't hesitate. It is the normal procedure to submit the documents to the guards. And then for the second procedure, for the university track, you have to prepare all the documents. Here only one copy is enough, and then the university you are applying to, you have to directly post it to that university. Here you can either use FedEx, DHL, or any other international courier provider to send your application. I know it is hard. In 2023 you have to prepare hard copies and send it directly, but it is what it is. And for availing the scholarship, this much hard work, you can do it, right? So no worries on that. Now you might have noticed I have talked about embassy track and university track for the GKS scholarship. So what is embassy track? What is university track? What are the difference? I am pretty sure that each one of you must be curious to know about it. So in the next video, I'm going to talk about the difference between the embassy track and university track for the GKS scholarship. So make sure to subscribe this video and stay tuned for the next video. Till then, stay safe and see you in the next video. Bye bye.